Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some easy way to make gravity. Let's press this. The cat is falling down and it stops when hitting the ground. Now it's walking there and I just jump and it falls down and hit the ground again. Okay, let's make the code. If we start by event when clicked, then we will have a continuous loop checking if we are touching the color, but actually we will check if not touching the color. Then it will change Y position by -1. What happens now is if it's not touching this color, the cat will just fall down. Let's try. The cat is falling down very slow, almost like the moon. But we will make some grass. I move the cat, I go to backdrop, then I will make grass. I go to the code for the cat, I press here, I press color picker, I choose the grass, and now I will try again. The cat is falling down and stops when I hit the ground. Perfect. But it's falling very slow. I will put it to -5 instead. A little more realistic. Like that. I move the code over here. Then I also will paint. I will paint a little ramp for it. And I put it here. And I make it a little smaller. And I duplicate this one. And go like this. Now if the cat is falling here, it will stop there. I will add some more events. When we press space key, then we will change the Y position, and then we can try. If I hold it in, it fly up in the air. So I will say that if we wait 0.3 seconds, now it will only jump a little, but it doesn't jump that high, so I will put it to 30. It jumps higher, maybe to 50. Perfect. Now it's jumping. I will put also when you have the right arrow, it will go right. Let's try. Yep. And when we press the left arrow, it will change to -10. So it go left like this way. But then we will also add here, so it doesn't only jump up and down, but we will also make it move by 20. So now it's jumping forward, just like in a game. And then it fall down and hit the ground. This was an easy example of gravity. I hope you had a good time learning, and I see you next time.